everyone and welcome back to Magaji's Cuisine. Our today's recipe is pineapple jam. So let's get started with the recipe. First, add pineapple chunks to the mixer grinder. Blend it to a puree. Now add the puree in a pan. Let it cook for a while. Now add 1.5 cup of sugar. Mix it well. Let the sugar dissolve. Cook it for 15 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence. Now add 1 pinch of yellow food color. It's completely optional. Cook it on low flame for 20 minutes or until thick. This should be the consistency. Now add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. Turn off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Transfer it into a glass jar. And you can store it for months. Enjoy it with bread slice. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.